Hey, what's happening, guys? Coming to you again from my car, the mobile office. But yeah, so I live in New Hampshire. I live not too far away from a town called Meredith. And in a couple weeks, I honestly don't remember, a couple weeks, a week, not really sure. But they have something called the Pond Hockey Classic. And what they do is they clear the ice of the snow and they play some competition pond hockey, like right on the lake, no doubt. Thought you might want to check that out. I think it's pretty cool. I think I got one of the guys running a snowblower. He thinks it's pretty cool. He did a little trick while he's snowblowing. I'm assuming he saw the drone. Who knows, but that's my guess. But yeah, guys, check it out, and I hope you like the footage. Thanks a lot.